A line passes through the points -5, 11 and -8, -9. Which of the following equations will not work for this line? All right, well, let's go from the very beginning. We've got point slope form. Before we do anything, we need the slope. So m is going to equal y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. If I label u x sub 1, y sub 1, and label u x sub 2, y sub 2, plug stuff in, I get -9 minus 11, never forget, -8 minus -5. So -9 minus 11 is -20. Double negative becomes a positive. So -8 plus 5 is -3, which simplifies out to 20 over 3. So that's my slope. That's my slope. Okay. Point slope form is given to us as y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. They want us to use the 5 and 11, so I'm going to reuse that guy. And m is 20 over 3. So if I plug in the same thing that I labeled over here in that guy, I get y minus 11 equals m times the quantity. Oh, I know what m is. M is 20 over 3, so let's not be dumb. 20 over 3. X minus -5, so minus a negative is going to be plus 5, which is u. U work. I want the ones that don't work, so it can't be A. Now, revised point slope form has me moving this -11 over here. So if I were to take u and add 11 to both sides, I now have the revised version, which is 11 plus 20 over 3 times the x plus 5 guy. So u are the same as u, which means I don't want u. Now let's turn this into slope-intercept form. Boy, is it not going to be pleasant, not at all. So if I simplify that, or if I distribute that, we get 20 over 3x plus 100 over 3. Oof. And then why don't we put u over 3, so that'll be 33 over 3. And if you combine like terms, you will get, well, yours will be 20 over 3x, 133 over 3, which doesn't work for you. Here's the thing. Which of the following equations will not work? Two of these will not work. Arithmetic can't work. And if you're like, why? Well, because if it's a line that passes through the points, arithmetic equations, arithmetic sequences only let you plug in whole numbers. So I'm not allowed to use an equation that only allows integers or whole numbers to try to find the line, because you get a bunch of points. It's not a line. So D also won't work. So there's two answers here, C and D.